Hey everyone, so welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new, which you probably are, so welcome. This video is a little, not different, but different I guess, in the same time. In my last video I didn't actually reference what was going on. I was just saying that I was at home, which I obviously still am, because I was getting criticism for not actually addressing what's going on. We're in the middle of a pandemic, so if you're watching this like long after everything hopefully is over. This was filmed like a week ago, but like right now is March 27th, 2020. So I obviously like a lot of people have been struggling with the whole social distancing thing and physical distancing and not really being able to do much outside of my house other than like go for walks. So I wanted to make a video where I decided to do something for myself, and I decided to give myself a little makeover. Don't look made over right now, but yeah, I've been wearing jeans during quarantine. Basically I just decided to re-dye my hair because that is something that I've been pushing off and honestly makes me feel a lot better. I styled it. I used my mother's very fancy hot tools, so that felt good. I did my makeup, like I did a full face, which I haven't done in like 2 weeks. I hadn't done in like 2 weeks at that point. I put on an outfit. I actually changed it like 6 times after I filmed this video, but I wanted to feel good in what I was wearing, and then I just went for a walk, and that was kind of the extent of me leaving my house and showing off what I did to myself. But yeah, it was all in good fun, all in good intentions, and a way to kind of take away from, like, step back from everything going on in the world and step back from like the cycle I had been in where I was kind of just letting myself be a lump. And since then I've actually been a lot more productive. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know that it's a little bit of a different upload and it's just a Sunday video, so it doesn't have to be as long. I'm sorry for the construction noises. We're trying to finish up some renovations before we potentially go into full lockdown, so that's what we're up to here. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys have been doing to keep yourselves doing all right in the comments. I'm going to make a video of things that I've been doing just to keep me busy in general that doesn't involve doing my hair and makeup for 2 hours. Let me know what's up, and yeah, if you guys are bored, my socials are below. We can chat. I have nothing better to do, so join me. I don't know, I'm in a weird mood. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. Subscribe below if you want to. I make videos usually once a week, but apparently twice a week this week. And yeah, I will see you guys on Wednesday.